Discover the secrets to make any woman feel your absence, even if she is not interested. In this video, I will share 6 simple but effective strategies for her to yearn to be by your side. Whether you are in an established relationship or just starting a new chapter in your love life, these techniques guarantee to ignite the spark of desire in your heart. Get ready to make her think about you constantly. Tip 6. Keep your distance. One of the most intriguing and effective methods for a woman to miss you to a great extent is to master the subtlety of maintaining a calculated distance. It's not about suddenly disappearing or becoming indifferent, but about finding a balance in the interaction. Immersing herself too emotionally or being constantly available can make her not long for your presence. Giving him adequate space allows him to process his feelings towards you. This strategic distance arouses his curiosity and creates mystery around him, valuing more the moments he shares with you and missing you when you are not around. Tip 5. Balance in emotional investment. Don't invest more than her. It is always essential to understand that respect and attraction go hand in hand. If you give yourself completely and give more attention than you receive, you run the risk of being perceived as too available, which does not generate desire. Maintaining a healthy balance between giving and receiving establishes an emotional game that motivates her to love you more. Maintaining high standards and respecting your own limits increases their respect and desire for you. Tip 4. Don't be afraid to lose it. The fear of losing someone becomes a weakness. If you overcome that fear and stay firm in your values and desires, you will be closer to making her miss you deeply. It is not about being indifferent, but about showing that you are a man with a full life, which leads her to value you more and to miss you when you are not present. Tip 3. Prioritize your purpose. In the journey of seduction, it is crucial that you have a purpose and a passion in life. Focusing on your mission makes you an attractive and emotionally independent man. This generates admiration and ensures that the relationship is sustainable for both of them. Tip 2. Be comfortable being alone. The ability to feel comfortable and safe being alone is essential for her to miss you. Enjoying your own company and finding satisfaction in your inner world projects an attractive energy that attracts people to you. Tip 1. Give what you need, not what you want. It's about understanding your emotional desires and providing what you truly require, not just satisfying your whims. Offering exciting but also challenging moments makes her experience a range of emotions, creating a unique dynamic. If you apply these tips, you will be able to change the dynamics of your relationships and make any woman miss you, even if at first she shows no interest. Remember to keep your distance, set limits, prioritize your purpose and give him what he needs emotionally. Good luck in your search for success in loving relationships.